The competency-based training fund is part of the $20 million Skills for the Future loan agreement between the Inter-American Development Bank and the government of Barbados. The partnership between the Barbados Port Inc. and the Caribbean Maritime Institute received grant funding for workforce competency-based training to obtain a variety of Caribbean vocational qualifications for maximum efficiency and safety.
The Barbados Port Inc., of course, is a very dynamic organization, and we wish to get involved, particularly in the training and development of our employees.
The training program will comprise of a total of 35 modules. These are across several sections of the industry. We'll be looking at occupational health and safety. We're looking at planning. We'll be looking at operations. With operations, we're looking at areas that involves warehousing. We're looking at equipment operations, equipment safety, equipment planning, and cargo handling. Overall, the training will be done over 5 weeks, an integrated approach where practicals will be done on the job, classroom through demonstrations, and PowerPoint presentations.
The information gain, although it has been coming quickly, has opened our eyes to immediately how we can do things better.